Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I thought we would try a new mascara from MAC. I feel like it's been a while since I got excited about anything from MAC, but when I saw they had this Magic Extension Fiber Mascara, I was very excited. So I got this recently and it says ditch all your false lashes, which I would gladly do. I much prefer natural lashes to false lashes. It said 90% said lashes achieved over the top exaggerated volume. 94% said lashes looked longer, fuller, and lifted, so I am interested. If you are also interested, then just keep watching. Okay, so it says 5mm fibers, gives you surreal volume and length. That's what I like, volume and length. So let's give this Magic Extensions 5mm fiber mascara a try, and this is in extensive black. It says it's enriched with a color amplifying crystal elixir powder, whatever that means. This is what the tube looks like. Inside, this actually looks a lot like the superhero mascara wand from It Cosmetics. Interesting. I wonder if I should do a side-by-side, but this is a fiber mascara. The It Cosmetics one is not. So it is a tapered wand, and I do see little hairs coming off of them, so that must be the fibers. Interesting. It honestly looks like I dropped it on the floor. Let me just make sure it's fully coated here. Yeah, those are the fibers. Not sure if you guys can see them, but there are quite a lot. So let's zoom in and give it a try. All right, here goes nothing. Okay, one coat is giving me barely coated lashes. Wow, okay, so I coat the tops of my lashes too, just so that I can get the tops and bottoms of my lashes fully black. And with doing that, it really helped to define the tips of the lashes and make them look even longer. Looks good so far. I mean, obviously it smudges to my lid that way, but I didn't do any shadow today for that reason. Okay, so here is probably like 3 coats on top and bottom. I think this looks really nice. This doesn't give you the effect that I was expecting. When I've tried other fiber mascaras in the past, it's looked like I've had like little fuzzy spider legs on my lashes. This, I don't see the fibers so much. I just see the length and the volume. I mean, yes, at the edges you can get like a collection of fibers, but I've found that by letting this sit for a little bit and slightly dry, you can comb through it with the mascara wand and it does kind of thin out any like patches of fibers you might get. Or if your lashes are sticking together like mine were earlier, I let it dry a little bit and then ran it through again and they separated very easily. So this is not a super sticky mascara. But again, here is the after and the before. Obviously my lashes are almost blonde, so you can barely see them to begin with. But I'm pretty impressed with this one. Now the true test, of course, will be to see if it flakes off during the day, if it smudges off during the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this eye and I'll clean up the mascara and then we'll be back to see how they both look, because this honestly is my longer lash, better curl eye. So we'll see if the other one can match it. So be right back. Okay guys, this is both eyes with this MAC Magic Extension Mascara. I have to say I'm quite impressed by this. It does honestly look like I have wispy falsies on, but I don't. So it gives you the look of false lashes without the mess of the glue and trying to get them lined up. So as of this very moment, I am a fan of the MAC Magic Extension Mascara. I'm pretty picky with my mascaras. There's a handful, I would say like 5 or 6 mascaras that I keep reaching for over and over and over. Other ones just don't cut it. They just don't do enough. This one, I like so far. I don't see fuzzy spider legs. When I look at my lashes, they are separated, they are coated, they are thin. They're not clumpy. I don't like my lashes to stick together. I like to see that I have a good amount of lashes, or I like the illusion that I have a lot of lashes. So I'm pretty impressed with this one. I think it looks very nice, still very natural for being a fiber mascara. I mean, it's definitely not natural. I have mascara on clearly. If I wanted natural, I would do nothing, but I think it's very pretty. So would I recommend this one? As of right now, I definitely would. I think this is a good mascara. I don't remember the price tag. This is a sample size I got with purchase, but as of right now, I definitely would purchase the full size one because I'm that impressed with this. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my first impressions and try on of the new MAC mascara. If you did enjoy this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.